Okay, I'm going to show you two examples here of where the parabola y equals x squared, okay, y is equal to x squared, has been translated. So, in other words, the line y equals x squared has just been moved to somewhere else. And in this case, it's been moved so that the vertex is no longer at 0, 0, it's now at 3, 1. Okay, so how am I going to find the equation of this different parabola? Well, what we do is we're going to replace the y with y minus 1. Okay, and the reason I'm doing this is it's because the y coordinate here is 1. So y take away 1. And likewise, I'm going to replace the x coordinate with x take away 3. All squared. Now, why does this work? Well, imagine that this is y take away 0, x take away 0, all squared. Okay? Just as the vertex here was 0, 0, and this one will be 3, 1. So now I can move that negative 1 over to the other side of the equation. And notice how it is now in completed square form. Okay, so I can say that the vertex is positive 3, positive 1. Now, we're not just going to finish it there. What we're going to do is we're going to multiply that bracket out. So we're going to get y is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 9. So that comes from the x minus 3 all squared. And I've got that plus 1 on the end. So that's equal to x squared minus 6x plus 10. Okay, and that is that one completed. So if I move on to the second one here, my second example, we're going to do exactly the same thing. We've got that y is equal to x squared has been translated. Okay, so it's been moved. And now I'm going to replace the y with y plus 2, because it has been moved to 3, negative 2. And the x is going to get replaced with x take away 3. So the sign changes, in other words. And that's squared. Okay, so I'm going to take 2 from both sides. So now it's in completed square form with the vertex at 3 minus 2. We're going to multiply that bracket out. We're going to get x squared minus 6x plus 9. And I've got that negative 2 on the end. So the actual equation of the parabola is y is equal to x squared take away 6x plus 7. Okay, so that's two simple examples of how we could find the equation of the parabola that's a translation of y equals x squared.